I was doing good this morning. Got up at 6:30, got going, and ready to go, and I got pulled away. When you have kids, it's what happens. That's okay. Still going. If it's only a few minutes late, I've been later, right? I already did the rain or shine, and how I'm doing, no matter whether the kids are sick. They're not that sick. Just allergies even. I gotta go warm up and get going. I don't think Justin's going with me. He had some work to take care of this morning. Like I said, he had some work to take care of this morning.
He wears glasses.
I
I can't see nothing. That's what I'm going to look like in about 30 years.
You didn't stick with your challenge of sleeping in.
I am sorry. I am trying real hard. Not for my challenge.
Obviously. I'm going to get warmed up.
I'm not squinting anymore.
I'm over halfway done with my run this morning. It has been a beautiful morning for running. It's just such a beautiful town where I live. All these little things like this little park. It's wet right here. See? I'm gonna take it slow and walk. But it has been a beautiful morning. Sun's shining, birds are chirping. There are quite a few cars, but you can still hear the birds over top of them all and everything. If you're not joining me, you should be. Get out and run. Here we go. Time for a cool down stretch before I head in. I think our viewers need some comic relief, so I thought I'd come and see what you've got for me.
I have nothing. I'm going to do this. Yo, ready for this? Wait. She's sitting on a ladder. I just wanted y'all to know that. That's it. That's all I have. She's sitting on a ladder. She's not taller than me. She's just sitting on a ladder.
I am. Comfortably.
Name of the vlog, sitting on a ladder.
You gonna do a thumbnail of me sitting on the ladder?
Be hard to see.
Oh, gosh.
Oh, a YouTube thumbnail. I just want it noted that I have typed 5 pages in 2 hours.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good for me. I can type physically faster than that, but I'm coming up with content and
It was pretty good that you were able to do said thing.
said thing.
Typing. My arm is getting tired for holding up.
It's because you're sitting on a ladder.
Well, I'm gonna go fix some breakfast. You want some eggs and an English muffin or something?
No, I'm about to wrap it up and I'm going to go work out.
Oh, well then looks like I'm working out. And then getting some breakfast.